Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create these super easy ghost tips. We'll be using snow cone, Onyx, our gel shine top coat, and our dotting tool. So I'm starting off with a nude base, and then I'm going to dip into snow cone and create curvy blobs on the tips of my nails as the ghost shape. I used 2 coats here to make sure that the white was very opaque. Then using Onyx, I'm going to dip in with my dotting tool and create 2 dots for eyes. And then I'm going to use a slightly bigger size dotting tool and create the mouths of the ghosts. Then I'm going to seal it with my top coat and you're done.